it's actually a working day and a school day. So, naka-leave ang daddy kasi may very special occasion kaming pupuntahan ni Mommy, which is ang
Kinder's Learning Celebration ni Kuya Davon.
Yan.
Kasi last 2 weeks na lang nila ngayon.
Correct.
And
Ito ata siguro na yung graduation
parang graduation
nila.
celebration
So,
na rin siguro.
hindi talaga namin alam ni Mommy, but then it's a celebration. So, syempre, medyo nakaporma kami ni Mommy.
Yeah.
At papunta kami ngayon sa school ni na Kuya Davon.
That's right. All I know, meron silang na-practice na parang presentation for the parents na i-showcase nila today. Parang mga 1 month ata nilang pinag-practicean yun sa amin.
Yeah, it's very excited kaming makita yun.
Matatapos na ang aming kinder. Let's go.
Yeah, super lapit, lapit. And punta lang tayo dun sa parking ng school. Ayan, fam, let's go! Ito na yung school ni Kuya. Naalala niyo, fam, sobrang snow nito nung winter. Na parang half foot yung snow niya. Okay. So, lakad lang tayo. For sure, andito na rin yung mga ibang parents. At very excited ang lahat. Kasi syempre, parang graduation to ng kindergarten nila. So, yan si Mommy. Okay, and let's see kung makakakuha tayo ng mga photos or even videos dun sa loob ng school nila, kasi usually talaga bawal, but then baka exception to kasi it's kind of a celebration naman and may presentation yung mga bata. So see ya!
What is this? Can you open?
What is all this? This is all your... Oh, you sure? Daddy, this one, you already graduated in kindergarten. Look at this one. Made roots.
Yeah? Oh, you had a lot of work this year.
Hey fam, we're done! Sobrang saya ng kindergarten. Parang Thanksgiving, graduation, learning celebration, lahat na. So yan, congratulations to our son, Kuya David. Yan. So to celebrate, pupunta kami sa Cross Iron Mills. Surprise namin kay David, magja-Jollibee kami para may mini celebration kaming mangyayari. Ayan, enjoy sobra. Ang daming mga pictures with the classmates and all. But yeah, again, the school reminded us really not to post pag may mga kasamang ibang kids, which is very understandable. Ganun naman talaga, kanya-kanyang preference. So of course, we need to respect their privacy as well. Of course, yung kay Davon lang ng mga photos and pictures yung ipopost natin. Okay, so see you later fam. Drive na kami! And congratulations again to our kuya for finishing his kindergarten. Grade 1 na ang next. See you fam! Hello fam! Nandito na kami sa Cross Iron. Who's going to celebrate his graduation? Yeah. Okay, so super hot Calgary. Pasok na tayo sa Cross Iron. Jollibee lang naman ang sadya natin dito sa Cross Iron. So pag kain lang kami ng lunch kasi may pasok pa si Mommy ng afternoon. Okay, so we'll see you later. And nandito na tayo sa Jollibee. Ito ata pinakamaagang Jollibee ko dito sa Canada. So let's go! Order daw tayo muna first. And magbabanding ang mag-mommy. Tatuwa yan si Mommy. Umiyak pa yan si Mommy kanina dun. habang may presentation. So, nasa Jollibee lang kami, fam. Yeah, and then kain lang. Simple celebration, lunch, and then uwi na kami ni Kuya David. Magwo-work din si Daddy this afternoon. Si Mommy naman, diretso to ng
Work!
At may work.
Work.
Okay, kain lang kami.
One more, baby. Will you kiss mommy?
Yummy.
Wow, syempre may palabok ang Mommy favorite.
Favorite.
And 3 chicken.
And rice, of course.
Are you happy, Kuya? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Gimme.
Okay, happy yan. And si Mommy ang ating
this?
gongcha girl. Lagi talaga itong may gongcha. Pero
we
yan
share.
lang yung dessert na actually gusto ni Mommy. Or matamis. Milk tea. Tingin? Ano milk tea to?
Gongcha.
Yeah, the
Milk tea with pearl lang
milk
lagi.
tea with pearl.
Yung default. Kasi hindi ako masyadong yung mga may flavor like Earl Grey, yung mga ganyan, jasmine. Ano pa yun? Yung mga taro-taro.
Yeah. Okay.
Default.
Great.
No.
But not too much, baby, ha? This is a tea.
Hey.
Jollibee done. Jollibee check. Who's happy eating Jollibee? May chicken joy pa sa
Uy.
bunganga. Okay, so ngayon naman fam, pauwi na kami. And back to work kami ng Mommy. Ako sa bahay, of course. And si Mommy ay sa airport. So again, thank you. I am back to work. Yan, so work lang tayo. So actually, si Mommy umalis na. Pumunta na ng office niya. And si Kuya David naman nasa taas. Just playing. So after work, sunduin lang natin si Lianica kasi medyo late pang matatapos si Mommy because of the busy Calgary airport right now due to the G7 summit. Oh, what is it? What is it?
Air Force One.
Oh, you're so happy to see the Air Force One landing in Calgary? Whoa. And where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
I don't know.
Mommy should be waiting in the airport, right? So, medyo patapos na ang araw natin. At kung saan-saan na kami napunta with celebrating Kuya Davan's graduation, kinder learning celebration nila. So, papunta na kami kay Lianica right now para sunduin si Lian. So, ayun, it was a great day. Sobrang saya namin ni Donna talaga na-achieve ni Kuya Dave. Hi fam! And so, nasa familiar route na kami. At alam na alam niyo to na dito nagbabicycle sina Kuya Dave. So, kanina nga sobrang saya ni Mommy at si Kuya Davon ay natapos ang kanyang kinder. It's really a blessing. And actually may parang slideshow sila na ginawa na lahat ng activities nila as well as yung mga classmates niya and personal photos nila ay shino. So napaiyak si Donna talaga. Kasi ang dami naming challenges din kay Davon. Lalo na nung pinanganak si Davon sa Pilipinas, nag-decide kasi kami na umuwi at that time. So sa Lucena, Quezon Province siya pinanganak. Good thing, kakilala ni Mommy, yung mga doktor, may discounts and all. And nagle-labor siya, sobrang grabe and ang tagal niya. Kasi parang may complications and naipit yung ulo ni Davon, parang ganon. But eventually nga, naging okay naman. So, it took her like the delivery itself, parang 1.5 hour. So, sobrang nahirapan din si Donna. And we were really thankful na doctor din si Mommy. So, nakakapag-advise siya na don't worry, ganyan talaga, kayang-kaya yan. So, very simple gesture lang ni Mommy talaga na from Davao, kung saan ako and kung saan based ang family ko, pumunta si Mommy sa Laguna and sa Quezon to make sure na okay yung delivery. kay Davon. Then, balik kami ng Singapore. Nagka-COVID. Grabe din yung challenges na yun. Naka-work from home ako, which is a very good thing. Si Donna naman ay walang flight kasi at that time she was a flight attendant. So, naalagaan namin si Davon and all. Time na yun, COVID. Anytime may pwedeng mangyari, delikado. So we were just very thankful to God na provide niya and na-provide yung health namin, na-provide kami financially, security. Kasi sa Singapore, kung wala kang work or kung isa ako sa natanggal sa work, mapapauwi na ako. And ang uuwian mo ay Pilipinas na nagko-COVID din. Good thing din na nasa Singapore kami at that time kasi Singapore got, I think, the second batch of COVID vaccines, if I'm not mistaken, kasi una yung UK. So, nakapag-vaccine agad kami. Moving to Canada naman, syempre, balik ka from scratch. Ang daming iisipin, ang dami mong kailangan i-consider. Ano yung mga schools na pwede niyang pasukan. Baby pa si Davon nun 2 years old pa lang siya. Magti-3. So, it was challenging kasi lalo na dalawa yung bata na dala namin. Yeah, yung una si Lola ang nag-rescue. Ang pangalawa naman si Lolo ang nag-rescue. So sumama sa amin si Daddy to help us bantayan ng mga bata. So daming reflections namin ni Donna kanina na napaiyak talaga siya. Seeing our son growing, very good boy, very respectful, very mabait, very mapagmahal sa sister niya. It's truly a blessing. And yun nga, sinasabi ko nga lagi kay Donna, the greatest gift that I received, the greatest gift that I ever received is to be called a dad, or to become a father. So yeah, ayun. So dito ko na tatapusin yung video. And yeah, nakapag-share ako ng small insights ko on our challenges. So dun sa mga parents na same din ang sitwasyon, kaya nyo yan. Basta kasama natin yung mga anak natin palagi, kaya natin yan. Magagawa ng paraan lahat ng problema, lahat ng challenges, magagawa ng solusyon. So dito ko na tatapusin ng video. And I hope na-encourage kayo, come to Canada. Kahit 2 anak, 3 anak, magagawa ng paraan yan. Plan it. Ask kayo ng support, ask kayo ng help from your family if you can. Financially, gawin nyo ng paraan. Basta planuhin nyo ng mabuti. Not just yung entry na path, kung hindi pati yung permanent resident pathway na tatahakin nyo. So thanks again for watching, and this is Lawrence from Alba Fam Bam. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also dun sa 60% na nanonood sa amin, please consider subscribing. And from the hot summer Alberta, Canada, see you on the next video, and hang loose.